Alright, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, Bohemian Hunting Club and Smokey Oak, makers of fine products, have come up and developed a new bullet and also a home class course for reloading, where we're going to be offering the Smokey Oak Reloading 101 course. And here we go. And here it is today. We have our new developmental bullet going on here. We have our casing, which today we are loading a 44 Magnum. So we put the primer in, and we take our special powder sauce, and we add some in, not too much. Oh, got some, don't want no residue. Then you take the bullet, and before you seat the bullet in, you want to go ahead and size it. So we're sizing it as the bullet sizes. Alright, we now have a sized bullet. You take the bullet and you go ahead and seat the bullet. You want to make sure everything is proper. And there you go. And that is the Smokey Oak Reloading 101 44 Magnum. It's a little, you just push it over a little. If it's one way, just give it a little nudge. And like I said, these are super light aerodynamic bullets with massive expansion. So like I said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. And as soon as the dial-up comes back online, we will be taking orders for these classes. We will be sending out the beta tapes and VHS. And we even have a few 8mm reels that will be selling out as well on these Learn at Home school courses. So as soon as the dial-up comes back online, we will be taking your order. Operators will be standing by. And remember, this is all from Smokey Oak, makers of fine products.